channel. Now we study science GK question on the basis of physics, chemistry and biology. Let's start. Question number first. What is the speed of the light? We know the speed of light is the 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. We know S is equal to D upon T. D is distance and T is time or time taken in second. In this condition, this is the unit of meter per second. Distance in meter and time in second. Light speed is very important questions. Next, atomic number of element is represented by which symbol? Atomic number. These are very important questions. The atomic number of element is represented by symbol. Atomic number is represented by Z. Next, which element is extra? Atomic number, like as sodium's, its atomic number 11 and mass is 23. So Z is equal to 11, M is equal to 23. Next, which metal is extracted from seawater? Seawater is metal extracted is magnesium. The magnesium, these metals which are extracted from seawater. These atomic number is 12 and mass is 24. Next, which device is converted electric energy into mechanical energy? These example of motor. Motor, electric energy converted into mechanical energy. These motors gains accept the electric energy and to give the output of mechanicals in form of work. These are called of mechanical energy of motor. Next, energy passed by an object due to motions is called. When energy is passed by the object due to motion, like this, these are stable in these conditions and these are passes through like the motion. In this condition, these are static condition. These are the static condition in which these are stables, not in motion, but when in motion it's develop the kinetic energy. These called statics energy and these called kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is produced when the object is moved one place to another place through the mediums is called kinetic energy. Show me, it means the kinetic energy is produced when the object in motion pass through one place to another place. Next, name the scientist who discovered atomic nucleus. The atomic nucleus discovered by Rutherford. Atomic nucleus, it means center. These are the atoms and these are nucleus of atoms. These are called atomic nucleus, which are discovered by Rutherford by passing the alpha ray from gold platinums things. Next, on which principles working of rocket works? Rocket work, which principle is conservation of linear moment. Conservation of linear moment. Next, matter which support the sound is called. This called mediums. We know the sound is travel, propagate from like this. These are the sound. These are the propagate one place to another place. Without medium is not possible to propagate of sounds. Moment of sound one place to another place is not without medium is not possible. In this condition, the matter is propagate here travel in the presence of medium like as solids mediums, gas mediums, liquid solid, liquid, gas mediums. Medium is necessary for propagation of sound. Next, Compact disc CD is a audio player. Uses which tradition? Tradition are imitated. We know different things of different types of radiation, but in audio player CD compact, laser beam radiation is used. Next, which instrument is used to measure depth of the oxygen? The depth of the oxygen is measured by the instrument of fathometer. Fathometer is instrument to measure the depth of the oxygen. Next, why red color light is used in traffic signal? We see that the traffic light is red color in the signals. These are called red light. To the light reflections, we know the red light lambda is very high. Very high. In this condition, they are vibrate to a long distance for traveling. These are appears to a long distance of the person. Next, name the scientist who said electrons revolves around the nucleus in circular path is called orbits. Which scientist is Bohr? These are called that the electrons revolve around the nucleus. These are nucleus, and these are electrons, and these are revolve in a circular path. Revolve like as a circular. These are the circular path, and these are called orbits. These are scientists of Bohr. Next, what is the working principles of sonar? Sonar full form is sound navigation ranking. Sonar full form is sound navigation or ranking. It means it is used for sound. Sound, it is echo. Working principle of sonar based on echo. Next, what is the tincture of iodine? Tincture of iodine, we know when the sodium of iodine in alcohol. When sodium and iodine in alcohol, this was called tincture of iodine. Next, sparking of diamond is based on which principles? We know sparking of diamonds, Mirage principles. These are reflections, total internal reflection. Besides, these are the total internal reflection based, which the diamond are sparkles, twinkle of stars. These are the total internal reflections based upon these principles. Next, which gas was involved in Bhopal gas tragedy? We know the Bhopal gas tragedy involved the many persons. Um, Many persons are obtained this treasury in this methyl isocyanide. This formula is CH3CNO. Cyanide's group is this CN. Next, CN cyanide group like as NC isocyanide group like this methyl isocyanate. Next, name the scientist who is regarded as father of atoms energy in India. The scientist who is regarded as father of atoms energy in India is Homi J. Bhabha, the father of atoms. These are the called father of atoms energy in India is Homi J. Bhabha. Next, stainless steel in an alloy of which element? We know alloy. Alloy is the state of liquid state of metals, and stainless steels in an element is iron, chromium, and nickel. These are the best stainless steels which are used as a alloy of iron, chromium, nickel. These are metals. Next, why the soap foam and bubbles show different color? We know the soap's form of bubbles to show different colors. This is the interference of light. When these bubbles passes out the light, these are show the different color of light by the interference when passes the light of these soap bubbles. Next, your bones and teeth are generally made up of which element? This is very important questions. The bones and teeth are made of generally element is calcium phosphate. Calcium, calcium Ca, phosphate P. In this formula is CaP. Next, why the echo is not heard at moon? We know for the travel of sound is necessary for medium, but due to the absence of atmosphere, absence of mediums, the moon echo is not heard. Next, what is humidity? Humidity is the moisture gaining content. Moisture is some quantity of water. The amount of water vapor present in air. When atmospheres water vapor present in air is called humidity. Next, myopia is defected by the eye in which person cannot see. It is a disease of myopia is defected by the persons cannot see distance far object. In these conditions, the myopia defines eye person see the far object but not see the near object. Next, why alcohol is used as thermometric liquid? Thermometric liquid. We know thermometer is used mercury, but alcohol is used as a thermometric liquid to measure very low temperature. We know the alcohols is very low temperature. So these are used to measure very low temperatures like as a used is liquids. Thermometric. Next. Optical fiber in communication work on which principle? Optical fiber which are located in eyes in communication work on the principle of total internal reflections. Next, why the face of moon always is same side on the earth? In this condition, this is like earth and this is moon. In this condition, the face both are same side. We know these because the period of revolution of moon is nearly equal to period of rotation of earth. In this condition, when the revolutions of moon is it is revolves is time equal to the rotation of earth is equal. In this condition, both phase always keep to same positions. Next, which instrument is used to convert AC to DC? AC alternative current, DC direct current. These are the answer is rectifiers. In these conditions, the current is flow propagate like this, like a wave. In these conditions, the rectifiers, these propagation similar to convert into as directly AC to DC. These are called rectifiers. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.